Okay, so in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to deploy to your website. So um, over here, we have one of my customer manager's website, and you can see several quizzes already on the website. Today, what we want to do is we want to deploy a new quiz, the Hansa quiz menu. In another tutorial, I talked about how you can use the quiz menu tool to make a menu of quizzes. So we've done that here. Um, we've created a menu of quizzes, and now we want to deploy that. So your normal workflow, I talked in another video about the workflow. You can go check that out. You've gone through and you've done your preview of each question, and you did your preview of your quiz, and now you're ready for deploy. So the last step is to move to the deploy tab. Now what you'll see here in the deploy tab is the name, the URL, the domain name of the deployment. It's basically the website name, and some logo, and then you'll see here different quizzes that you can choose from to deploy. We're going to choose a Hansa quiz menu, and we're going to click the deploy button, and we're going to confirm it. Now when we do that, it takes a little while to check with the deployment servers to schedule your deployment. So we're going to wait a few seconds, and now you can see that it's going to give you a time of when you can expect that deployment to be done. It takes about 12 to 15 minutes at the longest. So about 12 minutes from now, this deployment should be done. So I'm going to pause the video here, and we're going to pick back up when deployment is ready. Okay, so we're going to pick up where we left off. It is 2:14, and the time changed to 2:14 not too long ago. So you got to wait till it hits 56 minutes. But doing that, you'll see it change right before your eyes, let you know that it's done. So, in theory, you could do a deployment, go back over to Compose and do your workflow, preview, build, preview, build, preview, build, right? And then come back over here and um, see that this is ready. Okay, there's no notification that lets you know it's ready. I'll have to fix that at some point, but yeah, so now you know it's ready because you can now deploy again. But we're not going to deploy again because we want to instead go back over and check the website now. So we're going to check the website, and you'll see that back over, if you look at our quizzes, these are the quizzes that we have currently. We don't have the Hansa quiz, but if we refresh the page, you'll see that there is the Hansa quiz. It shows up right there. So if we select the Hansa quiz and wait for it to load, and there's our Hansa quiz right there, right? So John.Doe at school.edu, and here's our Hansa quiz, right? We get to choose from our menu of quizzes, and I'm going to choose number 2 because it's easy, and go through, and you can, go through these quizzes, and we'll just walk through it real quick together. And here's how it looks. All right, submit. Yep. Next. Meaning of the characters. Submit. And done. We're all done. So there you have it. There's your workflow for deploying a quiz to your website. That's what a deployment is. It's deploying your quiz to your website. So anyway, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.